Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I am very excited for today's project. Don't know about you, but I am very into the cement looking or even actual cement DIYs that I've been seeing on social media lately. I love that natural element within different types of decor that I have seen from Instagram to YouTube to Pinterest. I am really into this cement looking crafting idea. Right now we are going into spring, so a lot of the crafting that I've been doing lately has been more of spring-like decor. So that's going to include things like bunnies and little eggs. As you guys saw in one of my more recent videos, and I'll link it right up here, I made a very natural glass jar filled with all kinds of natural textures, moss, covered eggs for that more kind of decor that I really enjoy. For today's craft, I have taken two types of eggs from the Dollar Tree. One is plastic and one is a foam. And I have created a cement-esque type of egg decor with all Dollar Tree products. Yep, Dollar Tree products. I have made a stunning little arrangement for you all today. So before we even jump into today's video, please make sure that you like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you are ready to see how we create cement-like eggs with all Dollar Tree products, come on with me. Let's go create. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you thoroughly enjoyed it. Very simple DIY, throwing some things in a very pretty decorative basket, and all with Dollar Tree products. Yay! Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!